I bet you didn't know that on July 20th, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong took his first steps on the moon. But what if I told you it was all a lie? What if the moon landing was nothing more than an elaborate hoax staged in a Hollywood studio? Tonight we uncovered the truth behind one of history's greatest conspiracies. Let's start with the waving flag. Conspiracy theorists claim the flag's motion proves it was faked on a soundstage with a fan. But guess what? The flag had a telescoping pole and horizontal bar to make it look like it was flying. Those wrinkles? Just from being folded. So much for the fan theory. Next up, the missing stars. The photos lack stars because NASA forgot to add them in post-production, right? Wrong. The camera's exposure was set for the bright lunar surface, making the faint stars invisible. Oops, forgot about that little detail. Now let's talk shadows. Shadows in the moon landing photos appear to point in different directions, suggesting multiple light sources. But hold on. Perspective and the moon's uneven terrain caused this effect. No need for studio lights here. Ah, the Stanley Kubrick connection. Some believe Kubrick's was so realistic that NASA hired him to fake the landing. Even Kubrick joked, "If I had faked the moon landing, I would have done a much better job." Touché, Stanley. And the Cold War motivation? Sure, the US needed to win the space race, but faking a moon landing? That's a bit extreme, don't you think? Finally, there's Buzz Aldrin's famous punch. In 2002, Aldrin punched a conspiracy theorist who accused him of faking the moon landing. Now that's one small punch for man, one giant leap for debunking nonsense. So there you have it, folks. The moon landing was real, and no amount of red string or blurry photos can change that. Sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction, but in this case, the truth is just the truth. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, but also, stay skeptical. Disclaimer: whatever is shown in this video is just a conspiracy theory. We don't know how much truth is there in it and how much is false.